In this new era, your haters cannot be seen. In this new era, your haters cannot be hurt. In this new era, your haters are your motivators. Okay? Hey y'all, hey boo, hey, congratulations on waking up this morning, you guys. You read the title, so you already know what today is. You know exactly what we're doing. We are doing an unboxing of Lorvae. We've been hearing about Lorvae for so long, and now we finally have it. Okay, let me tell y'all, when this news first broke out, like on the blogs or whatever, and I was like, wow, they really played D, because like, why would you reveal someone's like brand? Like, why would you ruin something that they're working towards, and will ruin something that like they're really excited for? And we all knew it would be something like this. I mean, personally, I thought it was gonna be a clothing line, but she said not yet, or at all. Who knows? We don't know yet. But you know, she really loves shades, and we all know that. So for the blogs to go ahead and ruin that for her slightly, it was so annoying. But when she did her official launch, baby, I was on site. Okay, I was on the site at 11:59 a.m. Okay, I was in church listening to the word of God, and my mom was like, you gotta also get that Lorvae. So I was like, Jesus be with me. And this is why you gotta go to church, because when you go to church, right, the Lord will grant you everything you ask for. Because when I say that stuff sold out, there were two shades that I wanted. I wanted Main Event. I really want a Main Event, y'all. I want a Main Event so freaking badly. But when I tell you Main Event and what I got here, which you guys will see which one I got, when I tell you they were in my cart, okay? My phone has my card information memorized. I literally clicked it. I was about to click order. The site said, skirt, Main Event sold out. I was like, oh no, baby, I better get the other one. I better get, because those are the only two I really wanted. Like, Details was cute, but I don't wear green enough for me to be wearing Details, you know what I mean? And then Latte, I just feel like with my face shape, Latte wasn't gonna give what it can give for people other, you know, shaped faces. So I was like, Main Events. And if you didn't guess by now, you're really like, you're gone. You're gone, sis. Come back. Okay? If you didn't guess, I got Nu ERRA, and I'm so excited for it, because those two, I already have looks playing in my mind. So when I was ordering it, I was like, ooh, these looks are gonna eat on Instagram. They're gonna eat on Instagram. So yes, I did get Nu ERRA. I haven't seen enough Nu ERRA unboxings. Main Event was the ones I saw the most. I saw Details a lot, but I haven't seen Nu ERRA as much, which I'm not understanding, because are you people not seeing the vision? Are you not able to? Are y'all not walking into Nu ERRA? Because we all walk into Nu ERRA. I don't understand why y'all not walking into Nu ERRA. But okay, it's cool. It's cool. But when Main Event gets back in stock, I'm definitely gonna try to get it. I'm definitely gonna try to get it. I'm probably gonna try to get it. But anyways, so I do have the box here. When I got it, I haven't opened it. But when I got it, I thought it was a box within a box. So I kind of tore this side trying to open it. And then it flipped open. And I realized, oh, it's not a box inside of a box. It said, we are saving the environment. We're not wasting boxes. We're not wasting trees. And so she made it all in one box. Which I wish I would have known. But it's okay. Everything else is still intact. So that's why you see this flap here. That was my mistake. So this is, we're going to open it together, y'all. Let's say, oh, together, okay? 1, 2, 3, class, say, okay. It's the details. It's the packaging for me. Like, it's so cute. It's so cute. And then she has a card. I know that's right. I know that's right. Eat. Eat. This is how you brand. This is how you brand. And then on the back, it has a message. Do y'all want to... Let me read y'all the message. Let's see what it says. Thank you for your support. I'm so grateful that I can finally share my first ever brand, Lorvae. Lots of love, time, effort, and coins went into creating my first collection. I hope it helps you exude confidence and feel like the baddie that you are. Sincerely, Dearra. Real OG Taylor. Okay. Okay. Give us, go. I see you, D. I see. This picture really is fire. Like, honestly, the promo, Dearra did what needed to be done. That's how you promote. That's how you promo. Okay? And then there's just like this paper. Is there something? No. It's just for safekeeping. And then we got the goods. So, let's take the box out. It's a brand beyond everything. It's everywhere. Like, Lorvae. Distributed by Lorvae Eyewear LLC, Atlanta, Georgia. Contains 1 pair of sunglasses. Even tells you how many sunglasses you order. Sis thought about everything. All right. Her team, 10 to 10. Hold on. Wait, y'all. I think my lights are too bright. Let me dim it a little bit. Hold on. Okay. Beater. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see the Lorvae? Okay, let's take it out. Okay. Wait, which side do I want to take out? Ooh. Not me tearing my Lorvae. This packaging is secure. She said y'all ain't getting no broken items. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to tear this. Because she said y'all ain't getting no broken items, okay? Let's pull it. Okay, staying on theme with the white and gold. Okay, staying on theme. Look at the box. The container is so cute. Lorvae's in gray. Ooh, is this suede? Oh no, it's teddy. It's like a teddy, like feeling. I don't know if like the camera's gonna grasp it, but that's so cute. And it's in wow. Yeah, when she said she spent coins, she spent coins. Okay. Okay, so it also comes with glasses cleaner. We love that for ourselves. And it also has Lorvae on it. Yeah, no. Sis dropped a bag. The whole container is teddy. Oh, Lorvae is coming. Oh, Dearra is definitely serious about staying rich. Sis said, I will stay rich and I will give you quality. Are you kidding me? The interior? Nah, that had to cost a cool bag. But anyways, let's move on. So this is the goodie. It comes with a glasses bag, which I definitely am going to keep. I'm also going to keep the cloth in the glasses bag. Okay. Relax, Bernice, relax. Okay, already. Do y'all see? I'm gagging. Look at it. Lorvae, boom. Okay. All right. No, she really was trying to make sure this stuff stays secure. Oh. Okay. Nu ERRA. Do y'all see? Boom. Nu ERRA. Boom, Lorvae. And it's the L-E on the sides for me. Okay, hold on, let me try it. Let me put it on. I can't hear you over my Lorvaes. I just can't hear you over my Lorvae. Like, I can't even see. This right here are hater blockers. When your haters are around you, wear this. Can't see them no more. You can't see your haters. You can't hear your haters. You can't feel your haters. They're non-existent. Because in this new era, your haters cannot be seen. In this new era, your haters cannot be hurt. In this new era, your haters are your motivators. Okay? And that's on period. Okay, but imagine me with a bob. Imagine me with a bob. It looks good with this color, though. Oh. It's a new era. Like, this is cute. This is cute. When somebody has you messed up, so you gotta bring your glasses down like Mrs. Claus. I'm in a new era. You cannot talk to me like that. I'm a new person. You cannot move like that. We're doing new things. We do not operate like that. No, but like for real, I love these. These are so cute. With the right hairstyle too. The right fit. That's it. That's the end of this unboxing. Honestly, I don't think there's anything else that need to be said. Because, like, look at the material. I mean, not with the shirt, though. I went to the gym. And I came back. So, act like this shirt don't exist. But think of it with a different shirt. I'm in a new era. Yes. It's honestly giving. It's honestly giving. The quality feels really nice. Like, it's given very dark, but I can see very clearly through it. Like, I see very clearly through it. It's like it feels like there's a tint on it, but besides that, it feels a little tight on the face. So I think if they would have made it a little bit bigger, just a little bit, a pinch bit bigger, it'd be perfect for me. But that just might mean I need to lose weight, so look out for that. Look out for that, because once my face slims, it's over for y'all. But yeah, no. Oh my goodness. Y'all, okay. So like the inside of it, you know how like glasses have like those wired things for your nose, and they can be annoying. They can break easily, and they can sometimes be uncomfortable. Not when it's like a silicone looking thing, so like it sits on the brim of your nose, so like it won't fall off. Like, didn't fall because it's sitting because of that. You know, sometimes you'll be talking and your glasses just want to fall off. Dearra said we don't have falling off glasses, okay? They're going to sit on their noses. They're going to sit on their faces. They're going to sit and stay. Oh, I love them. I love them. It's the details. It's the consideration. Yeah. I'm going to throw a bob on. I'm going to throw a bob on. This with a bob. Yeah. Congratulations, Dearra. We all really do love Lorvae. This was really well thought of. I love it. Love the structure of it. Love the feel of it. Again, my only complaint would be like to make it a little bit like wider for people with like wider frame faces. But like she has a small face, so it makes sense why, you know, it's like a smaller face frame. But besides that, I absolutely love these, and yeah, I can't wait to see what other styles she comes up with. I can't wait to like get more because like Nu ERRA is doing it for me. She's kind of giving. Yeah, we're gonna be wearing her a lot, okay? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.